guys, so welcome back to KR Tutorials. So in this session we are going to learn about pollution of air and water lesson for class 8. So in the before session what I said you that in the before session I asked you 3 questions. So from those 3 questions what you learned that water and air are more crucial than the food. Okay, we cannot live with water and air, but we can live without food minimum 1 month. Okay, so before starting I will tell you some fact. So so in this session we will learn what is air pollution and how it is caused, how air pollution is caused. So here air has many small particles which we cannot see with the eyes, okay, which in those some particles may harm the air and they can cause air pollution. So do you know WHO, the full form of WHO? World Health Organization. It released a report on 2012 that 7 million people died due to the smoke produced from the factories. Means the air pollution caused by the factories, 7 million people died. So here when we categorize air pollution into another way, there is another type of air pollution that is called indoor air pollution. So what is indoor air pollution? So you may get doubt. So indoor air pollution is that, so normally in many advertisements they show that your hands has bacteria or the surface has bacteria. In present situation we are facing corona, like that. Don't touch surfaces, public surfaces, like that. So in forest there will be many trees, right? So what do we get from trees? Many things, paper, wood. So in sometimes when we touch the tree, some type of bacteria type which we cannot see, but we can feel some uneasy to our hand. So like that, some bacteria is attached to the wood which we take and fire them up and cook food in the olden days, and still now it is running in some villages. So when you went to any village, they don't have stoves like us, okay? So there what they do, they get the wood, they light up them and they put the vessel on it and they cook food in it. So here when we light up the wood, it gets fired, right? Okay. So what it is converted to ash. So in that ash, half of the part where it will go, that is smoke, which is mixed up with the air. So this is how one of the example of indoor air pollution. So normally we cook food. So like take anything. Sometimes the bacteria which we cannot see with our eyes, that may be attached when we cook or something else we do with it or light it up, which can be produced smoke from it. That bacteria is killed and that bacteria ashes are mixed up into air in the smoke. So these small ashes may cause air pollution which we don't know. Okay, this is one of the facts. And when we categorize air pollution again into 2 parts, what do we get? Man-made air pollution and natural air pollution. So here what is man-made air pollution? So when I ask you how air pollution is caused, so first of all you get 2 things. First thing is factories smoke and smoke from the factories, and second thing smoke from the vehicles. Okay. So here how smoke smoke is produced from the vehicles. So when we recharge the car with petrol or diesel, something ever it be, so it is used, and so in the petrol or diesel 75% means 50 to 75% it contains liquid form, and leftover part is filled up with the air gas. So when this liquid form is taken and the gaseous form is released, that comes out with the form of smoke. So which smoke is mixed up with the air, where we get air pollution. Okay, so this is here you get two things when I say man-made pollution. First thing is factories and second thing is vehicles. So if you, this is very simple, every child knows how it is caused. Okay, here when we go to natural air pollution, so you may think, what is natural air pollution? There are factories, there are vehicles. So what can be natural air pollution? So did you saw any volcanic eruption in any movie or something else? So when the volcanic is erupted, so by the heat some smoke is produced out. Even that smoke can harm the air, which can cause air pollution. This is the first thing you can know about what is it? Natural air pollution. And the second thing in natural air pollution is that sometimes you may heard in news that forest has burned up. Mainly, do you know Jungle Book? Jungle Book, the first animated movie, and it came. So in that, when that kid kills the tiger, then the forest totally filled with the fire. Means the forest has got fire and it is lighted up naturally. Means sometimes there will be gas contained in air, some substances which is released from the factories, that if simple fire causing substance is there, if it is naturally touched to it, so it can form the fire, so it can blow up the fire. So like that. So when that tiger, he will kill the tiger and push him from the tree, so there will be total fire upped in the forest. So that is called forest firing up. So I don't know. So when I said you that some bacteria is attached to the wood, okay, so when that what fire ups, there we get smoke. So by that smoke it can also cause air pollution. So this is how we get air pollution. So I said you before that what is air pollution and what is indoor air pollution. So first what I have said you, World Health Organization has released a report in 2012 where 7 million people have died due to what? The factory smoke released by the factory. Okay, so in this, half of the people mostly keep dying with the air pollution, indoor air pollution. Okay, so this is one of the fact which you can know. So if you like my explanation, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Please comment if you have any doubts and you want more parts like this. So please comment down in the comment section. So I'll be keeping more videos like this. So till the next video, bye bye.